1.
Make or download an image. Identify the parts in your mind. Example, this table has 4 long things, 1 wide thing. This cup has 1 main thing, 1 looped thing. My apple has a round thing, a stick thing, a leaf thing, and 2 arm things.
2.
Work out the fundamental shape of the object. There are only 3. Example, is this table made of a circle, a cylinder, or a square? Is this cup made from a circle, a square, or a cylinder? This apple has several fundamentals. Can you guess all 3? The body is a circle, the stick is a cylinder or square, the leaf is a square, the arms are a cylinder.
3.
In Blender, Object Mode, View, Viewport Front. Drag out another viewport. Drag image into the front one. Move it to a comfortable place. Gizmos on. Delete the cube if you haven't already. Add mesh. And for my case, UV sphere. Adjust segments till even and down the grid line. X-ray mode on. Edit mode. Deselect if already highlighted. Select half of the verts. Delete it. I also need the top gone. Wrench. Add modifier. Mirror. Clipping. Edge mode. Select one edge. Select opposite edge. Press F. Repeat. To remove the try, snap. Select grid. Press K. Slice it. To remove unnecessary lines, in Edge mode, Shift-Alt-Click Align, press X, dissolve edges, remove the snap, proportional editing, select verts, adjust fall off by tapping G and scrolling with the mouse wheel. Adjust till happy. Object mode. Item tab. Rotate if need be. Repeat with next shape. You can ignore mirroring if you don't need it. For the stick, cylinder. Lower the verts. Edit mode. Select top face. Extrude with E. Scale. Repeat until content. Slice the top with K. Try to make it even. Add loops via Ctrl and R. Repeat until content. These will be used later. Select half, delete half. In Attribute tab, Mirror, Object mode, scale it, move it, tweak it till content. In Attribute tab, Mirror, Apply. Repeat for leaf. Remember, if this is your first item, pick something simple. That will give you the confidence to try something harder. There will be a blender course added much later. For an arm, cylinder. Lower the verts. Rotate it into space. Make the arm longer by pulling out the verts. Create loops for the elbow bend. Create loops for the hand bend. Extrude out a hand. Extrude and scale the tip till content. Slice it up. Scale the hand to be more narrow. Make room for thumb. Extrude out thumb. In a Tribute tab, Mirror, Object. Select Cylinder. Done! You've made me learn Blender. Touché, my Maya weeps.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.